Она меня забыла, забыла, забыла. Любовь убила, руки домой застыла.
I took a break and I'm still tired. I went away, doesn't feel like it. Holding my breath while I kill time, almost like questioning real life. Cause after you've done it and done it again, the results only showing the same side. You wonder what's happening, why is it working for others, but I'm only stuck in the struggling. Yeah, where does it start and where does it end? Who is an enemy, who is a friend? What is the purpose I'm working to get? Something that's gone when you're turning your head away. Life's short, how do I know what is right, wrong? Making moves there for all I know will change things, got high hopes.
I got lost on the way, I can't go back now. I got lost on the way, I can't go back now.
I'm sitting for hours just getting it down. I'm admitting that I'm overthinking it, wondering if what I'm doing is killing me. Never been able to cut out the middleman. Thoughts I could never repeat, but I know where they're coming from now. Look around, all the change you were making, and look at the lives that were changing. See, I wouldn't change it for anything. I'm taking them with me. They gave me a reason to wake up, I needed it. Now that I've got all these people to listening, when I was dealing with feelings that I couldn't put out to the rest of the world, they stuck by my side through the thick of it. Yeah, you know who you are, there's no need to mention them. I've been my worst fear from the moment I woke up to right here. Conversations that gave me the wrong tears. Yeah, I needed to know I belonged here. When I looked around, everything's so clear. What I'm doing is coming to life. I put in the work and I'm sleeping at night. I see how it goes and we're doing it right.
I got lost on the way, I can't go back now. I got lost on the way, I can't go back now.
What I bring to the table's for me and the team. What you see is only 1% going to see. But got issues and things that you wouldn't believe. I got people that cut me out, they disagree. Like my life is a problem they don't want to see. When it's nothing to do with them, they up believe. Trying to understand things that they can't seem to keep. But I know what I do and I know what I need. I made a run for it, I'm ending up in the front of things. I've had enough of some people and what they've been telling me. What am I chasing and what is ahead of me? Haven't been working, it's hard to be told that I cannot do this. Put in everything, every last energy, fighting myself till I've got it on paper. I read it and throw it away and begin it again.
I got lucky, you're my shooting star. I'm warm and fuzzy, wherever you are. Once in a lifetime they told me, you're gonna find the one. I know every time that you hold me, this love has just begun. Call me crazy, call me dumb, I'm a hopeless fool in love. Call me it's alright, it's alright. Once in a lifetime, you told me you're gonna find the one. I know every time that you hold me, this love has just begun. Call me crazy, call me dumb, I'm a hopeless fool in love. Call me crazy, call me dumb, I'm a hopeless fool in love. Call me crazy, call me dumb, I'm a hopeless fool in love. Call me crazy, call me dumb, I'm a hopeless fool in love.
Mama thinks that I'm going under. Papa says it's all just a phase. I just hear the voice in my mind saying everything's not gonna be okay. Cause I lost friends trying to tie up all my loose ends. Now I'm alone. Had a rough year trying to chase away the tears I wasted on love. So I'm laying on the couch and doctor, I don't know, hoping he can analyze my soul. Said my lover is gone, they left no note. I got nobody and no hope. Doctor, tell me how'd I get this low? I don't wanna live my life no more. So give me all your pills, something that could kill the pain. He says everything comes and everything goes. You don't need love, you need you the most. So I won't give you drugs to overdose. You don't need love, you need you the most. Full of happy memories, I just wanna throw them away. Spending all my time just wondering, how do I make this greatest day? Cause I lost touch with the people that I made of. Now they're all gone, and I'm too shy when they call me on the line. I won't pick up my phone. So I'm laying on the couch and doctor, I don't know, hoping he can analyze my soul. And my lover is gone, they left no note. I got nobody and no hope. Doctor, tell me how'd I get this low? I don't wanna live my life no more. So give me all your pills, something that could kill the pain. He says everything comes and everything goes. You don't need love, you need you the most. So I won't give you drugs to overdose. You don't need love, you need you the most.
Evladım gel.
And then